So here are the questions for the Say, Think, Wonder activity we did in the first class. Let's look at these questions. The first one is about the platypus. There is a student ask, is it going to have more food for the platypus to looking at? Or is the platypus gonna fly?
Yes, the platypus moves around and looks for food, usually in rivers or streams. But it cannot fly because it is a mammal and has no wings.
I really like this one. This one is a bit inspiring. There's a student asked, is a platypus aiming for a prey?
Yes, platypus is aiming for a prey. When it hunts, the platypus is aiming for prey such as insects, worms, and small aquatic animals.
Someone reads the question very interesting. It is about the kids, the babies, about the platypus. Someone asked, will it eat? I'll put the egg down.
A female platypus lays eggs, but it does not eat them. It lays the eggs in a burrow and keeps them warm until they hatch.
So the second part is about the mosquito questions. Someone wonders how the positions for the mosquitoes in the food chain.
A mosquito is usually a primary consumer because it feeds on plant nectar or animal blood. It can also be prey for fish, birds, and bats.
Someone wants to know the habitat about the mosquito, and it just sucks the blood from the human bodies in the night or in the day.
Mosquitoes usually live in warm, humid places. They like areas with still or slow moving water because they lay their eggs there. Not all mosquitoes bite only at night. Some species bite during the day, especially in warm weather. And mosquitoes also feed on nectar for most of their energy.
I really love this question because for this student who has a really detailed observation for this picture, someone asked, do all the mosquitoes have this white banding or spots?
No, not all mosquitoes have white spots. Only some species, like the Asian tiger mosquito, have white stripes or spots.
So the third picture we showed in our class was a beef chunk, and someone asked, how long can it keep for the beef chuck?
Fresh beef chuck can be kept in the fridge for 2 or 3 days, but if you freeze it, it can last for up to 6 months.
And as you can say, you may notice there are some like the plastic package wrapped with this beef chuck. So there are someone is asking, is this like the edges for this beef chuck filled with water? How will it taste?
Most coast beef is not filled with water, but some cheaper cuts may release water when cooked because of processing. The taste is usually mild and depends on the cut and the freshness. Thank you for your listening.